Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I want to show you guys this cool little magnetic clip that was sent out to me by Start RC to take a look at. Now this is designed for the Go Ultra, but I'm going to show you guys everything that comes in the box and let you guys make a decision if this is going to be the ideal product for you. Now I have a number of action cameras that I use, and I am a huge fan of these magnetic mounts because they really come in handy. You know, the flexibility of them, the ability to be able to quickly connect this to things. Now, one of the things that I do like about this one out the box is going to be these little jaws that you see here. This is going to make it really easy for mounting this onto things. So it's going to give you a lot of flexibility, whether you want to mount this on a ball cap, mount this onto, you know, the strap of a backpack or something like that, or even use this like a little desktop stand if you're recording yourself. So you have a lot of flexibility, guys, when it comes to one of these little clips. Now, the material this is made from is mostly plastic, from what I can tell, but like I said, I've used a lot of these clips in the past and they have lasted a very long time. It's all in the design. You can see here the hinge is made really nice. The spring looks to be extremely strong. I get really good resistance when I press on that, so that's going to be ideal as well. So like I said, this is going to be an excellent little device for you, or accessory, if you have the Go Ultra. So definitely take a look at this. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome at Rome Knows Tech. Just want to do a quick video showing you guys this cool little product that was sent out to me by Start RC. Hopefully this video has been helpful. I'll see you all in the next. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.